There is no worse feeling than driving down the road and all of a sudden you hear a big pop and then swoosh. And then you pull over, you get out of the car, and you check all your tires, and you find one that's completely flat. Stick around, and I'll show you how to change a flat tire. If you enjoy DIY projects, hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel and keep you updated when I release new content. After pulling off into a safe area on the road, the first thing you need to do is go grab your flat tire kit. You'll have a spare tire, your lug nut wrench, as well as your lever to jack up the car, and your jack. Before jacking up the car, however, grab your lug nut wrench and remove the hubcap and loosen the lug nuts so that you have leverage to loosen them. Otherwise, the wheel is just going to spin out of control. Always remember, lefty-loosey. Sometimes you may actually have to stand on the lug nut wrench to be able to loosen the lug nuts. Oh, sorry. Oh, fire. There we go. Alright, now that we have those loose, now we can jack up the car. The next thing we need to do is identify where under the car we can put the jack to raise the car. So get on the ground and you'll find this kind of groove notch here on the bottom of the car. And what you want to do is you're going to want to put this groove of the jack so that it aligns to that, like so. After raising the jack enough to reach the grooves, I showed you when you want to grab your jack raising lever, and you're going to put this hook inside this loop. Then you're going to start jacking up the car. And once the tire is high enough and you can spin it freely, then we can finish removing all the lug nuts. Let's speed this up. One tip I have is make sure when you remove the flat tire, put it under the frame of the car. Like so. And start putting in your lug nuts back in. And bottom them out with your hand. Tighten them as much as you can with the lug nut wrench until the tire starts spinning. Like that. You'll be able to finish tightening it when you lower the car a little bit. And make sure you go in a cross pattern. This one, here, here, and here. And now I'm going to lower the car a little bit. Make sure the tire doesn't spin on you. And finish tightening the lug nuts. Just tighten it as much as you can. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you later.